cream, Jamaican smoothies and your sherbet and yeah man, milkshake, everything. Well, that's a roly-poly.
See,
Yeah, the name roly-poly.
You used to have football tournaments on Sundays down here. Them soon started, but
so what's over there?
some party, a birthday party, I guess. Somebody's birthday party.
Okay.
So they do them thing, rent out the place and do them thing.
Wow.
They have a skating rink over there.
Uh-huh.
Roller ski?
Yeah. Wish it was ice
This
skating.
is the one, this is the
I say wish it
magical
was ice
lifestyle.
skating. Yeah.
Allá se va algo? ¿Eh?
Yo como eso.
Try. See, this is the Ross Correll Hewitt Randy right now. Dip on it. Jamaica Good Life. This is the man who started it all with me. I him start really SeedsofJamaica.com. You remember?
I remember, man.
You and your son with Natel. Yeah, these are the founding fathers.
That's all, man.
We can't turn this on. Look alike.
Yeah.
Ross Correll Hewitt is the foundation of SeedsofJamaica.com, which later on turned into Jamaica Good Life. This is the man that drive me in the Volvo.
And my Volvo, man.
Yeah. At Culture Park, Culture Park is the beginning actually of the whole cultural vibration. We go to St. Anne's. We shot the first music video. E-I-E-O.
What's your ass?
E-I-E-O. Riemann Jungle. We did a musical journey, a spiritual journey. These people healed me, along with the dope poet who passed on, Green.
Yes.
Skelly passed on. How is our friend? What's his name? The one man. I'm named Wingy.
Oh, Wingy, yeah, watch him, man.
How is he doing?
I'm alright, man.
You talk to him?
Yeah, me see.
How old are you now?
Why, you wouldn't believe. Last week, me 66.
So, Father, so now your lungs health still good?
Eh?
Health everything good?
They know we do, I gotta look for smoke.
I'm saying, but is your health good?
How you mean, man?
No, remember so you teach me how to smoke, you tell me not to inhale, right?
Yeah, no, make it go in your belly.
No, we go in your belly.
No. You just take it and hold it and blow, make sure so when you blow it out back.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
So now you've been smoking for how long?
Why, for about 50 years from a little boy.
50? And you burn about...
But me have a tune, me say me smoke 10 ton.
10 ton?
Yeah, man.
You smoke about 10 spliff a day?
Enough, man. Me not use up weed.
For the past 50 years.
Yes, man.
And nothing wrong with you. And so look, why the little boy the maga out then?
Yeah, because then I eat before they smoke. And then the rest, enough of them bat. Bat is a healthy thing when you smoke, you know. Yeah, man, if you catch a bat and fresh up yourself, rest and eat food before you smoke.
Before you smoke.
Yeah.
Now we're in Jamaica Good Life. It's about the music, and I'll be hanging out with Correll Hewitt for a while, reviewing his music again, getting the works out there.
I know it's tough.
And I met a man. He told me he works with you, the Breeze Band. So how did Pinnacle?
Him alright, man. Him a going well, man. Some nice works.
And how's Natel doing?
And Natel great. Trust me.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Natel great, man.
This is the legend there, light up. So how was the 10 ton ganja song? One of my favorite that, you know.
10 ton.
10 ton.
Boy, I do well, you know.
Eh?
Right now, every time I open the email, Spotify, all kind of group I send, say me must promote it.
Yeah.
And when I open email, I 10 ton in that one.
So wait, you know the video yet?
Yeah, man, I have one little video for
You have a little video for
shooting
me?
myself too. I'm going
I know say I push on.
yeah, I say, man, people love it. All that tell them say love it.
Yeah, do your thing. It's a wicked tune, you know. I'm gonna make you hear it, Patriot. So you still have a lot of beats, right? I know you have it, pan lot.
Yes, man. I don't think no boy in Jamaica have rhythm like me. But non-stop. Every week, 2 or 3 rhythm.
We're gonna play some later, right?
Man.
You have the band so you can always slap up your thing and, you know?
Yes, man. We have the band alive, man. I mean, play for all the crowd in Miss Manchester. Enough big work. Big work, them are we do them. But you look a band, them only can play reggae. And we play jazz and ballad, blues, everything.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. 25 years me play on the North Coast, you know. All Jamaica Grand and they build brand new, we go sign the contract to play 6 nights a week for 1 year. Man begs with it, man hate me.
I thought watch it.
Yes, man. You know, remember me build one place I watch it, you see it? Then you know go there.
So this is the JahPatriot. Have an album out. So more if you hear music.
So you have music here?
Yeah, man. I do a sabbatical for a minute still, but right now, I push back in some efforts in the studio and, you know what I mean? But I have an album I did like 3 years ago. But I never done a promotion for it because around the same time when I got the album, I just said, take a next route and just go and deal with some things. And you see, I never really get to promote it. So it's still fresh, you know what I mean? So right now I want to get some promotion done on that, get it out there so the people them can really get in tune to it, you know? Yeah.
And this, you know, you see this a year?
Yes, sir.
After a year.
Mighty.
Remember me tell you that
That's the fire.
after a year too, you know.
Yes, sir.
Nothing can stop you, you
Yeah,
know.
man, I firm it, man.
Yeah, man. A word make you earth or make we too, you know.
Yes, sir.
So you have to mind the words that we use, but it's the right now in this case where declare this.
Yeah, man.
You have to take
You
it,
have to
you
claim
know.
it and take it.
Oh, you
you
mean
see.
standing and take it, you
Yeah,
know.
man. That's why there's no take it for you, man.
Yeah.
And that's right. That's why I'm more of a. I build on the mountain first, then we're gonna start. Well, we're gonna take it because we have it now. The people that must, you see, you're so. The word I always use for you is authentic. You know what I say? When it comes to reggae music, knowing this man for 20 years, this is random. I wish me did that on the camera too, but I'll come with the next one. But I've known Correll Hewitt for 20 years and JahPatriot.
Yes, sir.
You see me? And I've been filming and following the music of these giants. Now we're on Jamaica Good Life. Take it to the next level. And more of it talk to you, Mr. Correll Hewitt. Give them a little history of who you are, who you worked with.
Well, I don't think them always tell you I said I love them to you.
Oh.
Something like
So
that.
you work with all the giants.
I wouldn't say all enough of them.
Enough of them.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah,
You
man,
know,
fine.
some is a man who loves staying back in burning, you know.
Well, because I go all I know, we have to bring you out front. People have to know who you is on a bigger level.
You see what you just said? Me say, there have a lot of tune, you know, some tough tune too, you know.
Give me something.
And look how much band me go play.
Yes, sir.
And my band and me arrange everything and me never sing for when I stage yet. Never. So me take this year again.
I'd say just push
Say,
yourself
say.
forward.
I say, man, I tell everything this year, man. Yeah, man.
Yes,
me
sir.
take it, but from here, me tell you, look how year young too, you know.
Yes, sir.
And I
Still not the first quarter.
I take it, man. Just 1 year I go and run. And then I don't joke business, man. Yeah, and you see, enough artists me back, you know, where I have a name big, so. And when I tell me I'm great, and when you go with him, you have to teach him now. Enough artists, you know,
Yes, sir.
great, you know.
Yeah, man. Yeah, real
When they
thing,
go
man.
there, are you have to tell them, no, man, they must it. And fix it.
Yeah, man.
Enough of them never know when they come out of key.
Straight. Yeah, man.
So Patriot, tell me, music, reggae music, what it means to Jamaica. This is Jamaica Good Life. More for know how you fuse the music with it. It represents a culture, but give me the connection and the true.
I mean, the music is simply the truth of the people because it's expression, you know. And there's no other music form like reggae music. You see what I say? So whether you want to say reggae or dancehall are still the same. You see what I say? Because them separate dancehall and reggae being off of the lyrical content. Originally we know that dancehall was just one with reggae. There was no difference, you know. But as the time go on, you know, the lyrical content become more, them say raw, you know, or hardcore. You see it, so. But me just say just the truth of the people, and people express themselves in this form, and the world connect to it. Not just Jamaicans, the world connect to it, and more time it even look like the world connect to it more than even Jamaicans. You see? So we do give thanks to the discovery of this genre, because this genre motivate, show love, make people around you. I get email from people who never have seen me perform live, but come in contact with I&I music somewhere, somehow. And the way them express themselves, how them feel about I&I music and what them think I do for them. Yeah man, miraculous man, you know.
So me know say Ras Correll, you're a legend of the business. You know nobody call him a legend. But you see that watch there, we are a legendary watch that. You see that,
I got this from my daughter. The last one of my child as a birthday present.
You look beautiful.
Yeah, man.
I like your outfit.
Give
Where you get
thanks,
the
man.
outfit from?
Well, now it's another brother bring it from Ghana.
See there.
That's straight from the land.
Yeah, man.
You look good, man. You look
Give thanks, man.
you look renewed. There has been a transition in your life. You can sense it. There's been something where you're the same man, but you're
You
more.
have a good sense.
You're.
Because
There's a lot of things in the past. There was a little fear.
Yeah, man. I don't fear, man. Science did that one.
Okay.
And Almighty.
Yes.
Make me grow myself in a way that me can overcome all evil.
Yes.
And we can stand firm. Right now, we feel even more than 20 years younger.
Yes.
Because one time, even if I come from down there, say, you know, I feel my foot them tired. I know when I come up, I look back and I say, right, you don't, how me strong, sir.
Yeah.
But you see herbs, we feel up on pure herbs. We start feed all my wife, and if you see lick now, lick now go out, you know, and they say, man, I say for my daughter. My wife, you know, not tell mother, you know.
You blend, car. You're nice.
Right. Yeah, man.
You blend now, raw.
Yeah, man. Reality, man. Jack come, you know.
Yeah man.
But that transition didn't even happen at age 50. It started at 60.
At 60, man.
Yeah, no.
Because that's when them say, you know, after that number, there, you know, if you don't get it, you know, you not go get
Yeah,
it.
but you see that a man limitation.
A man said that, you know.
Because man can't put a limitation for nobody about it.
Remember, say, Methuselah and the man that did live till how much 100 years.
Yes, sir.
I see a man, Jah not change, man not change, the earth not change, you know.
And just people beliefs
Yeah.
and expectations
You see,
and all of these things.
here wickedest thing we are hurt with right now.
Yeah.
People only deal with the physical side, and at no time they're not penetrate the spiritual side. Where you see the physical side is what we are seeing now. But when you look, you see a pretty car, you see a pretty girl, you just do so like you don't like take it.
Yeah.
But when you see spiritual side now, is a deep communication with the Almighty, you know. And it starts from even man. Like how I'm glad to see you
Yes,
right
that's
now.
right.
You know myself, just like, what? It's a you know?
Yeah, man.
So you have to have a love within for one another, you know.
Yeah,
But then man, I tell you some things when we do for people here, man.
Tell them something.
Yeah,
What him do for people here.
This is a girl.
Come over here, sir, for me.
Yeah, Bacaldo.
Barella.
This a Correll. I'm inside Bacaldo, this side, but every man just in a one.
Yeah, man, enough things Mr. Correll do, man. Mr. Correll is a man in kind, is it? You know what I'm saying? Kind to heart. Yeah, man, help me out through enough things. Enough things. Tell me, I tell her. Right now, this man I come like him blessed. I guess I don't know, I'm just know saying blessed, can fear Father God. So me know saying blessed. And he help enough. If you're hungry, man, so me I tell you, you can ask him. And if I lost him, I have him a gear. Tell me, I tell you. Them man are more for suffer and more for make you glad. So them man are stay. Tell me, I tell you. Yeah, man. Enough things there, man. I see say, yo, enough things there, man. I help people, man. Help all, man. Nowhere to go, man. Man, I say, yo, it's a place there. Sleep. Yeah, man. Man, they all long, man, and they uncomfortable, man. You see a man give him all work. And still I help him, groom him. But sometimes, you see, enough time you can't talk to a big man because it's not a child where you can train, you know. And if he listening, if he willing to listen and learn. So basically, Mr. Correll is more of a mentor. You see me I say? More of a counselor then.
Yes, sir.
Father. You see me? Yeah, man, a great father, man. Can take him as a father too. Yeah.
Man, that's powerful, brother.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
See, sometimes you have to, that's why I say a legend, but you know, like talk for yourself, so I'm glad same day I have to talk for you.
Well, I know him to say, him a legend.
Me know that's why I say I'm glad. Enough legends me run round, you know. I'm not afraid to say so. So I have to point it out to the people, because sometimes humility can be a great thing. When I come from Africa, I tell them, say, that's why them take over Africa. Because we're too humble sometimes. And you're not going to get your royalties in the galaxy if you sit down and shine down here. So sometimes you have to just pull out of this humility, foolishness, and shine.
King.
But
you know?
you say what you do, Correll. What you say? You say, at the high time, now.
Yeah, let me not tell you, man.
See?
Say me know when to shake out of
That's why the light there shine. So,
Yeah.
I just say
That's what I say now.
Yeah.
I come back and I look for you and I say, something different.
What do you mean by if you're at your time now, man?
Because at 20 years, me and Unite, you know.
Yeah, man.
And it's been some ups and downs. You see me? At 20 years, because I remember when we link up, we walk the trad, we do the video, we get the one potato and you say, Rana, this we have, you know.
Man come here, you know.
One potato, you know.
Man come
And then pull it out and we go cook
Mr.
it.
Hewitt, tell Mr. Hewitt, say I want to see him. I say, alright, me go to him, you know. He say, the man look for me and say, and Mr. Hewitt, my want, man. So me say,
Yeah.
me say, they know Mr. Hewitt, this man. The man a look for me one way, you know. Me just go and left him too. Yeah. Then, true see me just stay so, you know.
Yeah.
you're too, him think you're too simple.
Yeah.
First fire, are you like the first fire with me, remember? Me and you and Dragon.
Yes, man. Back food for real.
We have it on film, you
We
know.
still have it.
How you mean?
You want some of them clippings?
Alright, I'm gonna give it to
Wicked,
you.
Man, wicked.
So I'm like the first fire.
No, man, that's true, man.
So Correll.
All the clothes me dash away, man. After that, so if you don't say, I cut and clear.
Cut and clear.
Yes, man.
So JahPatriot have some one hear the music when I go in the studio and hold it. But it's an honor to be among these great men and this great man here. Tell us about yourself, sir, and the essence of your journey. This is for Jamaica Good Life. All the people of the world needs to respect the musicians in Jamaica. Tell us about your journey, your name.
My name is Winston Anderson.
Winston Anderson.
I started come to Manu like 1970 them times, when 2019 at those age, you know. Started playing with Thunderbirds band and Wilds of me. Yeah, I mean, that's how I started. I used to live in Kingston.
If you could speak up a little.
Yeah, man. Okay. So when I came down, I would meet Correll.
Yes.
You know? So that's how we've been linking up with in Thunderbirds band all these years. From there, you know, we branch off to the North Coast, you know.
Yes, sir.
And we're playing and recording together. for a long time, you know. So it's a good musical journey still, you know. Although I'm not doing it now full time now, you know. Playing out and all that, but like for production and producing music and arranging music and making music now, that's my future now.
Yes, sir.
It's something I want to develop because, you know.
So which instrument do you play?
Play keyboards,
Sing.
sing too. So this is where I'm going now, you know, but still come on here and check Correll and reason together and jam together.
I'm curious, looking at your structure. How old are you? What do you eat? You look young.
Yeah, I'm 69 now.
You sick? Oh, that's
Yeah, man, 69, February 17.
No, are you need to talk? Are you the people that move them things and put them in the light a little bit? Take off your hat, please. Don't talk to these young guys. Look for the man. Wow.
Man. 69 young right now.
You're 69.
Yeah, man. Eat good, man.
Talk about what you eat.
Well, red meat was my thing from I was little still. Pork was my thing, and it was mostly vegetable and fruits, you know. And I'm still going that way. When I can get it, that's what I really eat, you know. And exercise and all that, you know. So, you have to stay healthy, man, to do the work, you know. Yeah, 'cause you have to be strong to do the work and produce and express yourself musically the right and proper way. You have to be healthy. Because health is another thing that comes with the music, you know what I mean?
And have a good mentality.
Yeah, man, good mentality, yeah.
So you didn't smoke much?
No, I don't smoke, none at all.
Drinking?
No, when I was younger a little, but I never do it, no excess drinking.
So fish,
Started
you're vegetarian or?
Yeah, mostly veggie with little, now and then I eat little meat, you know,
Yes, sir.
which would be just chicken and fish, you know what I mean?
Wow.
Yeah, but chicken going out now. I don't know what to go and eat because the fish loaded with, what name now?
Iodine? Mercury?
What did you say? What do you call it?
Mercury.
Mercury. Yeah, fish loaded mercury now, so we don't know what to go and eat.
And on top of that too, brother, the farm raised fish them where
That's worse,
I come to Jamaica King and go all in a area where you know expect farm raised fish because of beach area, them area there. With fisherman village and everything there.
Yes, yes.
And you get farm raised fish in the restaurant them in a them area there and I say, oh that? You see it?
But look on that one here, man.
Yeah.
Me keep on and say, the all animal, including man, win off the young one at age 6 months. The power book can say, like if you go grass, the mother start giving the one little church, one little Irish potato, the baby, you know. And we are chicken 6 weeks. 6 weeks, the chicken ready, you know. I'm on IT, you know.
Hormone induced, you know.
Remember saying, you know, when we are youth, you know.
Come on,
No
chicken
girl no got breast till them are 17, 18 when we are youth.
That's all the man in my life. 10-year-old girl them have full grown breast.
Yes, man, show you. And look here, me have one of my friend.
Yeah.
Where he have one stush girl, you know, when he carry out, you know. And he say girl I play. Yeah, like, you know. So me say, yo, I tell you if you control her, man. I show her chicken serious. And the brother come back and let him laugh when he done next day, you know. I say, look here, you see when you carry her out tonight, before you go home, make sure so you give her some Kentucky chicken and don't give her no little 2 or 3 pieces. Give her, make sure say, she eat till she don't want no more, man. She dry. I see if everything alright. I said, they make it.
So you said the chicken is like, there is some form of thing we're in right now where change the mood.
The hormone, even all when men eat it. Tell me what it do to men now.
Feminize them.
it make your body now manufacture now sperm.
Testosterone, yeah.
You know, feel no strength.
Yeah. Feminize them, man.
You come in like you grow a breast.
Yeah, man, it's true, man.
Yeah, man.
Just because you have a chicken, yeah. You say, go eat no more chicken, because the chicken...
From a band, me not eat chicken, you know.
Where is it?
And then I show me a rasta.
Where is it?
From a
Me and you never eat no chicken back then.
Never.
I'm going to check the video there.
We can make a no man, we can make a call on my wife right now and I know how much he is. I make she tell her, I make a call my sister there.
You don't eat no chicken?
Look here, you see, tell me what's happening now. Alright, here Winston I tell her and
And you learn from 70.
Yes, man. And look here, you know, when it's Sunday dinner cook, you know, those days, you know, I cock where you have to go buy a market when I, you know, and when it comes somebody kill you, you know, and fix it up, you know. So when my father smell that cooking of my mother cook that first, so everybody gonna eat that, you know. But my mother want to tell that nice lady. You see, when the old man like you want till dinner, you know, and the old lady say, hi Cyril, just wait until I'm cooking something for Correll for show him not eat the chicken. You hear my father say, make the boy go eat shit.
If you don't want the chicken and a shit.
That's what it means, say, my little boy. Look here. Me not turn Rasta, you know. If someone that talk about him turn Rasta.
Yeah, you just manifest as you grow.
Rasta man, from a band, man.
Can you tell me about your mother?
Yeah.
Mother was a powerful... I never forgot when you kept... Your mother is the one that resonated with me when I met you. My mother Randy's was a powerful woman, you know.
The best in the world, man. No
Yes.
one's no better than that, man.
Where in Jamaica are you from originally?
Kingston.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Born Pink Lane. And then I move up to Avondale, you know?
Yes, sir.
Yes, and go into school. Which don't exist no more, just Saba in a park now.
Oh, yeah, same.
You know what I mean?
Give us your name again, please, sir.
Winston Anderson.
Winston Anderson. We're here with Correll Hewitt, Winston Anderson, and musical genius JahPatriot. We're just relax right now in Mandeville underneath the bamboo, you know, at Culture Park. This is a place I've been here 20 years and counting, where I started the whole movement with the legend right here, Correll Hewitt. I'm gonna go play some music. So can we go play some music?
We can listen to it, man.
I want to hear the 10 tone. I want to hear the 10 tone.
Yeah, no?
I want to hear the 10 tone.
Now put up it in there and make you see when we go.
Yes, sir.
So you are the general in the place now, you are the security. Give them your name, give them your Instagram. Give them your name, give them your Instagram.
Xavier, man.
What,
Yeah.
you're up on Instagram?
No, someone look on Instagram, no Facebook.
No Facebook?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, Facebook.
So the kings, them there, help him out. Give it to me. You'll get sick.
Huh?
You forget your jacket, iron. Where your jacket there? They say I work too long?
No, you work for money.
Yeah, man, with the pan.
We have to get you some.
Step up, step up, step up. Move into the studio.
Right inside where you can hear and speak to them. Alright. Yeah, in the sound.
JahPatriot, you have to go do something over a beat, you know. You have to go make up a song tonight, you know.
Sit down there, sir. Put one.
You hear me say JahPatriot?
Come down. Yes, sir. You want that chair there, please?
Jamaica, you're getting the exclusive from Culture Park.
No, come over there, sir.
This is a great moment in history right now, what's about to happen.